Hello guys and welcome to Slenderman Origins. Now, I found out how to complete this game. So, I like going with fog. Okay. The longer you search for the children, the more relentless it becomes. I have to rely on my sense of hearing, and whenever Slendy attacks, I have to be careful. Ugh. I see him. I see the child. By the way, whenever I get the child, I save. It automatically saves my game. I have to be careful. I hear the child. Whenever Slendy attacks me, I have to turn away as soon as I can. The child's this way. Okay, this looks kind of like my house a little bit. There you are. Don't cry. Okay, cool. Slendy hasn't attacked me yet, so... And as long as I don't... The child sounds like he's straight ahead. Yup, the portrait's coming together. So he's right over here. Yeah, looks like some more was fought over here. I hear a child in the distance. I hear him. Nope, I hear him in here. There you are. I'm surprised that Slendy hasn't attacked me yet. I hear it underneath here. Oh no. No, Slendy. As long as I don't look at him, he's not there. He's not there. He's upstairs. The child. If you want to whisper something to my ear, say it to my face. By the way, do you all know that Slendy's a ghost? No, no, Slendy. You're not here as long as I turn away from you. I'm not paying any attention to you, Slendy. Ah, there. I have succeeded. By the way, I previously completed the village one, so I'm not going to do that one. But next up, we're going to do the forest. And then when I'm finished with this game, I'm going to try out the nightmare mode. I already have the full version, okay. Graveyard, that looks like it's going to be scary. Fog. I like fog. Fog is easy to look through. Okay. Are you over here? Oh, you were on the other side of that area. Okay. This is pretty much just a big game of hide and seek with these children. That wasn't even that scary. Would have been nice if this guy came alive and started doing a little dance. Like doopty 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 doopty, I am dead. Sounds like Slendy was up here somewhere. You know what? Let me resume. Oh, it's raining skulls. Sorry, I didn't bring my skull repelling umbrella. Sorry. Okay, he's in the other room, I guess. And I'm guessing that Slendy's gonna pop up. Gotta say, this kid picked the perfect hiding place. Oh no, no Slendy, no Slendy. I'm trying to turn away. And I'm dead. Saved only 2 from 7. Okay. And I can continue from where I left off, but that's gonna be it for this episode, fellas. Next time, I try to complete the other levels. And this Halloween level looks like it's gonna be a scary one. So I'll see you in the next one.